Hi, YouTube. My name is Jeffrey David Jean Baptiste. I am a novice to making videos, but you know what? I'm encouraged and inspired to get into it because if you have something on your mind, it's best to share it with people so they can learn and know how to avoid making some of the mistakes that I have made. So, give you a little background. Approximately 3 weeks ago, I got fired from my job. It was really unfortunate. It was a scary moment, very depressing, embarrassing moment in my life. But it has become one of the best things that's ever happened to me. And the reason that I say it's become one of the best things that ever happened to me is because always wanted to go into business for myself. I just never really knew how to kind of begin. So just to give you a little background, I started selling, products on eBay and Amazon, and I've had good success with that. And then I made a decision to say, hey, you know what? I want to do my own website. So I started my own website, got a HostGator account, and did that whole thing and tried to funnel traffic to the website via Facebook ads and other avenues. And it just wasn't working for me. And then I fell upon Shopify. Shopify is basically a platform that allows you to open up an online store. They give you a domain. You can, use your current domain, or you can make a brand new one and purchase one straight off of Shopify. And they give you a free 14-day trial. And you literally, upload your items and your products that you have, and you sell it. And it is so beautiful because the hardest part about running my own website on HostGator was I had to do all the legwork in terms of putting the product on there, and the process just wasn't easy. But when it came to Shopify, man, I promise an 8-year-old can probably run his own Shopify store. Of course, if you could be 8 and run your own business, could definitely do it. It's as easily as drag and drop. Type in a brief description and choose a theme for your shop, and it just looks beautiful. All my friends were super impressed, once I sent them my web link to, give me feedback about my store. They were very impressed. They were very happy with how it looked. And today, I had a few abandoned carts today, but I got my first 2 sales. I sold 2 book bags, and it is the best feeling in the world. And it feels so good that I have decided that I'm going to record a video every single time I get a sale, up until a certain point, of course. But more importantly, what I want to do is I want to share with the world that, hey, this is possible. Losing your job sucks, but there are other means to, create revenue for yourself. And don't lose hope. I do have a lost job, found hope page on Facebook. You can find me there. I also have my shop on Facebook as well at Pluto Minds LLC, and that's Pluto like the planet, and then Minds like your mind, LLC on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram at Zostar Pluto Minds. And it's fun, man. I'm enjoying the journey, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video and it gives you a little bit of inspiration to say, hey, you can do it. I've been doing Shopify now for approximately 2 weeks. Yes, this will be my 2 week mark on Shopify. I've watched countless YouTube videos on how to best market and drive traffic to your website. I was getting traffic, but I wasn't getting sales. I was getting frustrated. I was contemplating, looking for a job. But I made a commitment to myself that, I will no longer work for anyone else other than my customers. I will not work for another business and give them my time when I can give it to myself and my customers and provide them an exceptional value through service and quality products. So that's my plan, and I got my first 2 sales, and I'm super excited, and I am confident that there's many more sales to come. You hear about these guys making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month. I plan to join that list shortly. Within the next 6 months to a year, you guys will see a video with me and my Tesla. And I'm putting it out there in the universe that these things will come to fruition. But of course, it takes a lot of hard work, determination. You have to do a lot of research. There's a lot to learn when it comes to doing business online. And I say that to be honest with you guys, not to, create any type of fear or anything like that. Be faithful. Be confident. You ever get discouraged? There's a bunch of groups on Facebook. Just Google e-commerce groups, and there's a bunch of them that will help you along the way. There are a ton of articles on how-tos and success stories and things of that nature. Just stay focused, know what you want to accomplish, write down your goals, and just keep working at it every single day. Even if it seems that you're not getting any progress, you are. And I proved that, validated that today by getting my first 2 sales. And it's a really, really good feeling. And in the later videos that I make, I'll kind of talk about more detail in terms of what I'm selling, where do I get the product from, and things of that nature. But I just wanted to start off with this introductory video to my life. And you can find my products at www.plutominds.com. And we have an assortment of clothing, accessories, and different types of apparel on the website, mugs, and different things of that nature that you can find there. My niche, you'll hear about finding your niche. My niche is just customer service. That's what I'm really good at. It doesn't really matter what product I have in front of me. It's that interaction with the customer that I'm just really good at and that I really enjoy and I'm passionate about. I love people. So that's my video. I didn't want to ramble on. I wanted to stay on point, and that's that. I got my first 2 sales today doing e-commerce on Shopify. And I know it's not the hundreds and thousands that everybody else is talking about, but man, it felt good. It really, really felt good to get my first 2 sales, and I truly look forward to getting many more sales, and I'm more than confident that will happen. 6 months to a year, you will see me in a Tesla. I will do a video on my Tesla, and my next birthday in April of next year, I will be taking me and my family to Hawaii. Just had a baby 3 months ago. Beautiful experience, and right there alone, that's my inspiration to really do this. I want to set her up so she can have her own business when she comes of age and doesn't have to, worry about applying for jobs. If she wants to go to college, that's fine, so she can network and learn. But more importantly, I want to show her that, hey, being independent, it's realistic and it can happen. And I'm going to do everything in my power to ensure that that's a reality. So signing off, my name is Jeffrey Baptiste. I kind of go as the personality of Zoestar, and Zoe is symbolizes my Haitian descent. And star is what I'm always reaching for, and that's the stars. So signing off, thank you so much guys for taking the time to look at this video, and I hope you guys nothing but luck and success in your e-commerce journey. Until next time, have a good one.